Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to clear the cache in your web browser. If you experience error messages or corrupt web page information when using COLS, clearing your cache can ensure your browser displays a web page correctly by forcing your browser to retrieve the newest copy from a website, which doesn't always happen automatically. There are a few ways to clear your cache. First, try pressing Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. This works for most browsers. If that doesn't work, here are a few options to try. If you are having troubles displaying help links and want to clear the help link cache specifically, try this. First, right-click on the help icon and select Open Link in New Tab or Open Link in New Window. Now, in the new window, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. Then close the new window. If you click the help link again in the original window, it should now display correctly. Different browsers require different methods for clearing the cache. First, we'll look at how to clear your cache in Microsoft Edge. I'm using version 139. To clear the cache in Microsoft Edge, navigate to the three dots menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings, and then Privacy, Search, and Services. Click the button called Clear Browsing Data and choose what to clear. We recommend you select cached images and files, and potentially other data like browsing history or cookies, then click Clear Now. Your cache is now cleared in Microsoft Edge. Now, let's look at Google Chrome. I'm using version 139. Click the three-dot icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to Privacy and Security, and then click Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window that appears, select the time range for the files you want to delete, and make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. Then click Delete Data. Now your cache is cleared in Google Chrome. Let's look at clearing the history in Safari. I'm using version 17.5. To clear the history in Safari, in the Safari navigation menu at the top left of the screen, go to History and choose Clear History. Select the time period you want to delete and clear the history. Finally, let's look at Mozilla Firefox. I'm using version 142. In the navigation bar under History, select Clear Recent History. In the pop-up window, select the time range for the history you want to clear. Then click Clear. Now your cache is cleared in Firefox. You have now learned how to successfully clear your cache and your browser history so that your web page information in COLS will display correctly. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the guidance website.